Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn the relationship among TR, AR and MR in a market situation when prices falls with increase in output. This market situation is also known as imperfect competition market, especially monopoly market and monopolistic market. In such markets, producers or sellers can increase their sale only when they reduces their price. So let's see what relationship TR, AR and MR holds in such market situation. This relationship can be explained graphically as well as with the help of table. Let's see a table in which we can see the units of a commodity which are sold by the producers, and this is the price of every unit. Here we are seeing that the producers are able to increase the quantity of sale only when they are reducing their price. With every increase in the sale of output, producer is decreasing the price of its commodity. Accordingly, given the quantity sold and price of the commodity, we can calculate the total revenue like this. And if the total revenue is given, we can also calculate the marginal revenue. Now, see what relation TR, AR and MR holds to this table. Here we are seeing that average revenue, which is also known as price, is not equal to the marginal revenue. With every unit, you will see that average revenue is greater than marginal revenue. Or you can say marginal revenue is less than average revenue. And with every increase in the output sold, total revenue increases. But the rate at which total revenue increases is decreasing. With every successive unit sold, total revenue increases at a diminishing rate. If we plot this table to a graph, we can get the shape of total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue curve. Here, marginal revenue curve has upward slope to a limit, and then it starts falling. Both average revenue and marginal revenue falls, but marginal revenue becomes zero at a certain unit, and then it becomes negative also. So let's discuss the relationship among these three. First of all, let's take the relationship between total revenue and marginal revenue in a market situation when prices falls with increase in the output sold. The first relationship between total revenue and marginal revenue is that when marginal revenue falls positively, total revenue increases at a decreasing rate. This is the first relationship that these two holds. Second relation is that when marginal revenue becomes zero at this point, at the sixth unit, when marginal revenue becomes zero, total revenue is at its maximum and constant. This is the second relation. And third, when marginal revenue is negative, here you can see marginal revenue has become negative. When marginal revenue is negative, total revenue it starts falling. These three important relations that total revenue and marginal revenue holds in a market situation of imperfect competition. Now, let's explain the relation between average revenue and marginal revenue. Here you can see that when average revenue falls, means when prices falls, marginal revenue is less than average revenue. It is obvious from this graph. When average revenue falls, marginal revenue is less than average revenue. Second relation is that marginal revenue curve is steeper than average revenue curve. The reason is the marginal revenue decreases at a faster rate than decrease in the average revenue. You can see this from table also. Third, marginal revenue can be negative. Marginal revenue can be 0 and negative, but average revenue is always positive. It can never be negative. So these were the relationship among total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue in a market situations when prices are not constant, prices fall with increase in the quantity sold. I hope you have understood well. Thanks for watching.